Hey, how's it going? This is Nate Matthews. I was returning your call about the delivery of the embroidery machine.
Yeah, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good, good. Is tomorrow okay for you?
Yes, that'll work tomorrow.
Okay, sounds great. Thanks, Nate.
All right, thank you. Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
Your boy is going to have an embroidery machine by tomorrow. We're going to try to move past all the negativity from the last company that tried to do me in. But, you know, God had way bigger, better plans for me. I'm just glad I kept my faith. I'm glad I stood my ground. Like I said, man, I helped myself. I helped you guys that's been following along with the situation, and it's just only going up from here, man. It's just a lesson learned. I'm very grateful that I learned the lesson too, because what most of people would have done is just said, hey man, just pay. You know, I gotta tell y'all, but the court situation, the company tried to get me to promote a product for them and only be able to say good things about them and stuff like that. And I'm just like, look, that ain't my steez, man. That's not the type of stuff I'm on. I don't really want your machine anyway. And I ended up telling people about it. They came after me, blase blah, right? But I am glad I learned the lesson, right? I didn't just pay the attorney money and just say, make it go away, fix it. Nah, I was in the attorney's ear. I was asking questions, even when the attorney was too busy to try to, you know, explain to me every single thing that was going on, all the motions he was filing, the paperwork this, the paperwork that. I was asking. If he wasn't giving me the information, I was looking at what he was doing and I was researching it myself. I was Googling, I was reading an article, I was looking at real cases, I was watching videos from other lawyers and other attorneys, and just I was doing so much research. That's kind of, again, why I went MIA on YouTube, so I can actually learn. So no, I didn't just pay a whole bunch of money and have somebody do the work for me. I actually took in that knowledge. I learned a lot, and it's just definitely gonna help me from here on out. And I got a lot coming, man. Everything that I thought I was gonna be doing for that other company, that's out, man. That's out. We're gonna be going with a completely different company, completely better machine. All the reviews and stuff that I told you guys, I have the proof, I have the screenshots, the videos, the emails, everything from other people who actually own machines from this company and actually have came out of their own mouth and said that that was the worst mistake that they ever made, is shopping with that company, basically believing in that company's bogus, you know, schemes and all that. I'm just glad I didn't end up going that route. A lot of ideas that I've been sitting on for a very, very, very long time, I'm going to be able to do them now. A lot of the stuff that I have in mind, though, it's not only with the embroidery machine, it's also with the sewing machine, with the serger, with, you know, I got to do some actual hand work that a machine can't do. It's going to be some handmade stuff that I'm going to be making. Some stuff that I've actually made before. However, I just didn't want to put it on a scale of, you know, trying to sell these things, because if I got to make it by hand every single time, not only one is that going to take a very, very long time to do, but you know, we're humans, right? We make mistakes and stuff like that. I didn't want to cut a design a certain way and then the next one be a different way, or, you know, I want to have my system set up that way I can automate it and possibly teach somebody else how to do what I need to get done. And we're going to open up shop, man. This is just, it's a blessing. And you guys heard it yourself from the phone call I just made. This is crazy. This is crazy, man. So all of you guys who have been watching my journey, who have been putting prayers on my situation, you know, just help me get past this situation. Matter of fact, y'all didn't even know about the situation until it was over. So not too many of y'all put prayers on it, because I didn't put the business out there until it was fully resolved. And now that it's fully resolved, you guys have put your prayers on it, though, that I get back on my feet, and everything is going good, man. Everything is going good. Case closed, case dismissed. I won the case, baby. You feel me? They didn't get what they was asking for. We still in business. I didn't shut down. It's only up from here, man. God willing, man. Y'all gonna have to stay tuned. Subscribe to my other channel. Follow me on Instagram. Make sure y'all watch my Instagram stories, because I don't really post on a timeline too much. I want to know who's watching the videos, because you guys watch all the YouTube videos and half of you guys forget to hit that like button anyway. You guys think it's probably it's no sweat to like it. I just gave them a view. It's all about the views. No, it ain't. It's not about just the views. Trust me, I know. I need y'all to like the video, drop comments, share the video on your Facebook with your friends, wherever. I'll catch y'all in the next segment or the next video, or I don't know how I'm gonna edit this thing together, man, but I'm excited, man. Less than 24 hours from this moment, we're gonna have a new machine. NeverDenyMe.com, and never deny yourself either, because you could do whatever the you want to do. We out.